Hello everybody, good evening. So my name is Soumya. Today I'm going to do my reading in English. So what's heading in June for you? Okay. So I have kept here three piles as usual. I have three options over in front of you. Pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. Pile 1 is this pink candle which is rose candle. Pile 2 is lemongrass candle. Pile 3 is lavender candle. So you have to choose any one of them, whichever pile or candle is attracting towards you. You have to choose that basically. Then I'll start your reading. Okay, so again, pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Okay, so take your deep breath. You can pause my video if you want to. While choosing your candle, I'll be keeping these candles aside now. So let's head with our reading. With pile 1, those who have chosen this baby pink candle. Sorry guys, कुछ कैमरा प्रॉब्लम्स हो गई थी, so it is like I have to shift my camera over right side. Those who have chosen pink candle, let's see what is there for you. First of all, I would say you are a very soft hearted. You are mostly like you treat yourself in a privileged way. You have lots of pink aura with you. You are very girly. Okay, you love fashion a lot. You love to experience new thing in life. Those who have chosen pink candle, you are very lovable, very caring. You are like a rose basically. You are very soft hearted. Once the rose leaves are plucked, they turn into like a pain, so you can be painful, very deep paining person at a time. Okay, so let me tell you this. Those who have chosen pink candle over here. Secondly, those who have chosen pink candle over here, there would be a very loving person coming your side. They could be your soulmate. They would be giving you equally love. Okay, so let's see what is there for you. Pile 1. Okay, मैंने यहाँ पे I have already shuffled my cards. Sorry guys, I have already shuffled my cards over here. So let's check which cards are there for you, Oracle. Then I'll be shuffling your tarot in the end. Okay, if angels help are needed, I'll be definitely taking out that also. Okay, so let's see what is coming there for you in love and who's coming up in June. So there is a soulmate. I told you in pink candles, so there will be a soulmate. ये मैंने ये चीज़ without seeing cards देखिए, cards खोले भी नहीं थे जब shuffle हुए थे. I haven't seen your cards while shuffling, so it is like when I was shuffling, I randomly chose this candle, pink candle, because my spirits was saying me to choose this candle for you. Okay, let's see more. Give your relationship a chance. For maybe someone from your past is returning. Pile 1, this could be your past soulmate lover also, even could be your past lover. Okay, this could be your ex basically. Even if they are not your ex, they could be your ex friend who is returning towards you, and they could be your soul connection. In the month of June, this person will be asking for you a chance. Give them a chance basically. It's in you, you want to give it or not. Okay, work on your partnership. You have to actually work on your partnership. Okay, universe is saying you have to work in your partnership, because somewhere this could be your soulmate. Okay, this person wants you back. You have some soul contracts with them. Okay, secondly, I'm sensing number 21, family room. So most of you, this person can be like a married man. You and this person has some 21 years gap. Either you could be 21 years old, or this person could be younger from you. Okay, 21 could be like birthday date also. Okay, for some. For others, in 21 days, this person सॉरी पता नहीं मैन क्यों आया. So within a 21 days, this person can bring their family towards you for a marriage proposal. Basically, they can head regarding marriage. Okay, let's see what tarot says. The wheel of fortune. So this deck is a sexual magic tarot, which is from Italy basically, and their picturization is very rare. Not every psychic or every tarot reader use this deck. Okay, these are very rare decks. Not every tarot reader can't read such decks. Okay, so it is like when wheel is over here, so something is turning your way, your cycle, your wish fulfillment is coming true. Okay, whatever karmic cycle was there, it was ending, and your cycle will be coming your way. But universe is sending some divine timing within the 21 days maybe, or maybe after 1 month you could meet your soulmate, and this person could be from your past, pile 1. Okay, maybe this person, you might be having a separation, pile 1. Also, I am sensing like you and this person like have very soul contract, very beautiful contracts with each other. Okay, you are meant to be with each other at a time. Okay, for others I'm sensing like you could have a child with them, you can have a baby with them. That's why it is a family room in this card. Okay, so within a 21 days there will be something coming up towards you in love, which is give your relationship a chance. Your ex-lover is coming back to you. Those who are in a separation, you might be having a union with your partner or reunion with your person, and they could be your soulmate. Okay, you will be coming and going, but at the end you will be end up meeting each other, or you will be having a union with each other. Okay, so this was a love reading. Let's see what tarot need to say all over about your career and love life. So what is coming there for pile 1 in June? Universe, please guide me. What is coming there for pile 1 in June? I'm getting so many energies. Literally my nose is itching right now, which means this person is remembering you and talking about you. So what is there for pile 1? Those who have chosen pile 1, what coming there for in June? What coming for them in the month of June? Eight of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This person could be okay, or you could be a fire sign. So for most of you, you will be heading with some communication from this person. You can get some random phone call within a 21 days or in a month of June. Okay, so I'm getting these kind of vibes. In career basis, you can get some communication and offer regarding your work. You might hit with a job, online job basically, or a practical job, because corona situation might get improved in some time. So you might hit to a good big job. You will be having a fast new beginning in coming days. So what is there for pile 1 in the month of June? I don't want so many cards, spirits. Please guide me with 1 or 2 cards. What is there for pile 1? Four of Wands, 11. So let's see what is there for pile 2. Those who have chosen this lavender candle over here, let's see what is there for you. Okay, for most of you, those who have chosen lavender candle, you feel attracted to love a lot. Basically, you are very lovable. Again, like pile 1, pink and purple are most like same colors which person get attracted to, and you could be a very attractive person over here if you are watching my channel, those who have chosen this pile. Secondly, you can attract a charming personality with this color, and secondly, I'm sensing you could have like you wear lots of purple color a lot, lavender color a lot. You might light up these kind of candles a lot in your room. Okay, so let's see what is there for pile 2. पहले मैं वीडियो के वॉल्यूम बढ़ा दूँ. Okay, so let's see what is there for pile 2. Let's see what's coming in love first. Okay, release your ex. You need to release your ex, pile 2. You are not able to release your ex till you are thinking about them. Okay, time has come that you have to release your ex and deal with someone new, because you are attracting someone new right now in your life. Okay, and this could be your soulmate again, twin flame, and your ex was your karmic partner. Okay, for some. For others, you are attracting a karmic twin flame, karmic soulmate, or they could deal with some karmic things in their past life, and they are heading towards you now. Okay, they are finishing something karmic and coming towards you. So basically, this message is you need to release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. You are not able to forget your person. You are not able to move on. Most of you are still in touch with your exes. Please don't be in touch also, because they are stopping you to go forward in your life, regarding your career also, regarding your love life also. You are not able to choose your new love basically. So there is wedding. So for most of you, you can deal with a married man either. For others, you are married to this person. For most of you, I'm sensing you could get married with your new person incoming. So you could head over a marriage with this person regarding a June. Maybe this person can give you a marriage proposal for some. Even if you're not married to a person, you are single. Maybe this person, the person you are heading to a marriage basically with this person. Sorry, my video got cut due to long duration and all storage problems, so I have to like come back to you again and again. Sorry for that. So basically, you will be heading to this person with a wedding. Okay, this person might propose you for marriage if you're single. If you're looking for a new love will be coming your way. And who would be they? Let's check out that. And how would you be meeting them? So there is number 36, distance horizons, number 16, thoughts. So already this person has some picturization about you. They think about you. Maybe you are also feeling their triggers all time in your dreams. Okay, you might be having some dreams regarding your ex, maybe regarding someone new over here. But this is someone new and someone in present who is definitely thinking about you. They could be number 36. This person could be 36 years old, maybe elder than you, or you could be elder than them. Okay, number 16. Within 16 days, you can get some good message from this person. You might meet up this person within 16 days. And number 36, I said already before, you can be elder or they could be elder than you, and you will be having some distance horizon, as in this person could be from long distance and you could be from long distance too. Okay, for some. Okay, not for all basically. So let's see what is there for you. So this is King of Pentacles. So this person is thinking a lot about you. They can be like taking very slow move to come towards you right now. Their focus is on their money, on their financial issues. They are thinking about you. They have made some thoughts for you, and they have already, they are, you are coming in their dream basically, and you both are meeting each other. You are having a union in each other dream. You might have also seen their face in your dreams. So this person can be very rich person. They could be from different background. They have different value, morals. They could be a celebrity. They could be politician. They could be something doing with business. Okay, they will be something doing with business, and they will be very particular about you. They will be taking every footstep very slowly like tortoise. Okay, and this person could be always like coming for you all time. They will be protecting you, and if you are dealing with them right now, they are really protecting you from others because they know you are like a diamond. Okay, so let's see what your tarot says about you. So, Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 2? Those who have chosen pile 2, what is coming there for in love and career? Secondly, person will be taking very slow move towards you. Now, let's see what your card says. Hope now my video don't get cut. Please ignore the mistake. Okay, what is coming for pile 2 in the month of June? The world. So cycle is turning your way. You are about to finish something regarding your karma. Your karmic things are going to end now regarding your career or love. There is someone new who will be very, very serious about you, plus their stability also, plus your stability also. The Tower. There will be some spiritual awakening. You both have gone through a lot. Maybe in past your jobs were not working well. Now it is a time you will be working your own for pile 2, and you are thinking to make your own world. What is there for pile 2? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What's coming there for pile 2? 10 of Wands. So you will be cutting all the cuts and moving forward. You will be releasing your ex in the month of June. Secondly, I'm sensing you would not be caring about anything, anyone, what others thinking about you regarding your work. It will be your choice what to choose, what to not, and there will be some decision making. You will be traveling out a lot. Okay, and there is some communication. Maybe this person is from long distance.